Hey there, it's Brittany and I am back with the August BohemStyle box. So this box is a little different than typical bead boxes that you get every month. This one has a specific design in mind. It's for new subscribers. The first box is $24.99 and then after it is $29.99. They have a website where you can go and check out that month's tutorial, but everything in here is to make a specific project. So let's dive in. Let's see what's in there this month. We have 2 clasps, some teeny, oh my goodness, some teeny tiny ball head pins, some oval jump rings. I'm guessing these are crimp beads. We've got some purple, these are really pretty. These are tulips with like a purple Picasso wash-ish look. Love those. I just love that purple. It's really good purple. Some more jump rings, some more head pins. There's a lot of metal in this box this month. An extender, some jump rings. Oh, these are cute. Some little like large hole gear-shaped pink glass rondelles. Those are so pretty. Those are so pretty and so delicate. Ooh, the same beads, but in a lighter pink. Those are cute. They look almost aged and like crackled. Same beads in a gear, or same beads in like luster purple. Some bead stringing wire. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are, oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. If I was a bead today, I'd want to be these beads. So beautiful. They're that silky texture on the inside with beautiful pink table cut. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, some yummy leaves. And the matching, it's the same purple pinky palette. Gorgeous. These are more briolette style leaves. I'm going to have to check out what the tutorial is and see if I want to make it. Oh, some beautiful matte seed beads. Gorgeous color. We've got a subtle AB on them in purple. Ooh, look at how pretty these flowers are. Gorgeous. It's like a huge AB on a beautiful purple flower. Those are really pretty. And then last but not least, some matte pink fire polished beads. Gorgeous. So this is just the unboxing. If I decide to make the items from this month, I'll post photos of them. Let me know what you think. Have you subscribed to this box? If you're interested in subscribing, check out the description of this video because I'll put an affiliate link. Those affiliate links help my channel. If you have any questions, leave that question in the comments and I'll try and answer them. Or I'll reach out to the company and get you an answer. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Okay, so I watched the tutorial and I made the necklace. First of all, I'm in love with this necklace. It's so stinking cute. And I had a lot of fun just making something for myself. So I think it's definitely worth it for the price of this kit. If you are a person who just kind of wants some time to yourself to make a piece, I just sat there and had fun creating. Like there wasn't any pressure, anything. The tutorial was very easy to follow. Got to make some chain myself, which was really cool. And it's a really cute little necklace that's super boho. It's definitely my style. I actually also ended up making the one from last month. And again, super duper cute. Definitely my style, my colors. I had fun making it. It was relaxing. And it wasn't a design that I would have come up with myself. So I had fun with it. I also made the 2 bracelets, but I did not follow their design because it was too asymmetrical for me. And I wanted a symmetrical piece for each one because the necklaces were symmetrical. So I had fun creating these 2 2 bracelets, and I'm gonna wear both of them. So definitely recommend the box. Check out the description for the affiliate link, and hope you have a great day. Stay tuned for Goldie. Bye-bye.